Most drivers think all full synthetic oils are basically the same. Same 5W30 label, same promises, same ultimate protection marketing. But here's the problem: two oils with identical labels can create completely different engine wear patterns after just a few thousand miles. And by the time you notice the damage, the wear has already happened inside your engine. Today, we're putting Mobil 1 Extended Performance and Pennzoil Platinum head-to-head to find out which oil actually protects better when real heat, pressure and mileage start pushing the engine to its limits. Because once you look at the lab data, the marketing starts falling apart fast. At first glance, both oils look premium, both are full synthetics, both meet modern API standards, and both claim outstanding protection, but underneath the label the chemistry is very different. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is built around long-drain durability. Its formula has historically included a blend with PAO synthetic base oils, which are engineered for stability under extreme heat and extended mileage. That's one reason Mobil 1 confidently advertises up to 20,000 miles of protection. Pennzoil Platinum takes a completely different approach. Instead of relying heavily on traditional PAO, Pennzoil uses Shell's PurePlus GTL technology, which converts natural gas into an ultra-pure synthetic base oil. That gives Pennzoil incredibly low impurities and excellent cold flow characteristics. And this is where things get interesting. In independent oil analysis discussions and enthusiast testing, Mobil 1 consistently shows slightly stronger long-term stability, especially in extended drain intervals. Pennzoil, on the other hand, often shines in cleanliness and smooth operation. So the real question becomes, which matters more for your engine over time? Now let's talk wear protection, because this is where tiny chemical differences start turning into real engine damage or real engine protection. Engine oil survives in brutal conditions, metal smashing against metal thousands of times every minute, extreme temperatures, fuel contamination, moisture, carbon buildup, and when the oil film weakens, wear begins immediately. In 4-ball wear testing, which measures how well oil prevents direct metal contact, Mobil 1 Extended Performance usually produces slightly smaller wear scars than Pennzoil Platinum. The difference isn't massive, but it's consistent enough to matter. Why? Part of it comes down to additive chemistry. Mobil 1 typically carries slightly higher phosphorus and zinc levels, which are critical for anti-wear protection. Those additives form sacrificial protective layers on engine components before actual metal damage occurs. Pennzoil still performs extremely well, but its formula leans more heavily on friction modifiers like molybdenum to reduce drag and improve efficiency. That creates an interesting contrast. Mobil 1 feels engineered for maximum durability over long mileage intervals. Pennzoil feels engineered for cleanliness, efficiency, and smooth performance. And honestly, depending on how you drive, either strategy could benefit you more. But here, where things separate even further, heat resistance. Turbocharged engines are absolutely brutal on oil. Temperatures inside turbo bearings can exceed 250 degrees Celsius and weaker oils start breaking down fast. Once oxidation begins, sludge and carbon deposits follow right behind it. This is where Mobil 1 Extended Performance quietly builds a strong advantage. Used oil analysis reports from high-mileage turbo engines consistently show Mobil 1 holding its viscosity slightly better during long drain intervals. In simple terms, it keeps its protective thickness longer when exposed to extreme heat and extended mileage. Pennzoil Platinum still performs at a very high level, especially for normal drain intervals. But in severe heat and long-duration stress testing, Mobil 1 often shows slightly better resistance to breakdown. And that matters more than most drivers realize. Because once oil starts thinning excessively, protection drops fast, and engine wear accelerates hard. But Pennzoil fights back in another area where many oils struggle: cold starts. Cold starts create some of the highest engine wear your vehicle will ever experience because oil hasn't fully circulated yet. And this is where Pennzoil's GTL base oil chemistry becomes a real advantage. Pennzoil Platinum typically flows slightly faster in extreme cold temperatures compared to Mobil 1 Extended Performance. That means quicker lubrication during startup and potentially less wear during freezing conditions. So now the comparison becomes much more balanced. Mobil 1 appears slightly stronger under prolonged heat and extended drain abuse. Pennzoil often performs slightly better during cold operation and engine cleanliness. And honestly, this explains why both oils have such loyal fan bases. Now let's talk about something most drivers completely ignore: oil volatility. This is one of the hidden reasons some engines burn oil faster than others. When oil experiences high heat, lighter molecules evaporate. That evaporation increases oil consumption and leaves behind thicker deposits inside the engine.